Hello guys, so in today's video what I want to do is basically introduce you to TryHackMe and one of the levels that I have actually found and I've completed quite recently, and I would say it's a very good CTF. So this CTF is basically HA Joker CTF, and what I would say is it is a very good CTF if you know what you're doing, or if you're a beginner. It's a guided CTF and it should basically be very easy for you to complete. Now in today's video what I'm going to do is basically just introduce you to I just want to basically get you guys to try this level, and in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow or the day after, which should be Wednesday, what I'll do is make a CTF walkthrough about HA Joker CTF. And I would say it's very easy. If you just take your time, don't rush yourself. You should be able to do this under an hour. If it takes you longer, don't stress out. When I first started, as I said, I didn't know anything. I thought I know everything, but then when I done CTFs, I was like, I don't know. I know shit. I know absolutely fuck all, right, about hacking. And then a couple months later, basically sitting in front of a computer, repetition, notes, reading stuff, watching videos, watching other people hack, and guess what? I can do CTFs medium to hard to basically very easy, right? Now, some people been asking me about basically HTB. HTB is also a thing. I remember about HTB, but HTB is more of I need to find, basically what I want to do is find a good level for you guys to show you, right? Because there's no point if I'm doing stuff, right? It takes me time. I'm sitting in front of a computer, I'm doing stuff, testing stuff, right? And then you guys won't understand any of this, right? So I'm trying to find a good CTF that is very easy to understand. Right, so I just wanted to make this video, right? As you can see, I've done this CTF. I'm not going to show you any answers because that's just, I forgot about it. That's fine. So yeah, as you can see, I removed the answers, and as you can see, it should take, as I said, it shouldn't take you long to do this. If you know what you're doing. If it takes you longer, don't worry. You should also have, as you can see, there's some basically steps what to do, right? So if you want to learn hacking, make sure you complete this level. And in the next video I'm going to do is make a walkthrough of this level for you guys to learn how to do this and the mindset that a hacker has, and also the vulnerabilities which you should be able to still stray away sometimes, right? So see you next week, guys. Thank you for watching.